This video is meant to demonstrate how the bar-mounted mirrors can be adjusted on 2025 Indian Scout motorcycles. The mirrors can be mounted in the upward or downward direction. For maximum visibility, Indian Motorcycle recommends mounting the mirrors in the upward position. A 6mm Allen wrench is provided underneath the seat. Note: left-hand and right-hand side mirrors will need to be switched to install upwards. The mirrors can move in two ways: rotationally along the handlebar axis. Mirrors rotate on the mirror mounts itself. As you rotate, they can move further and closer to the center of the bike. Now sit on the motorcycle and adjust the mirrors so you can see clearly behind you. On Scout bobbers, if the mirrors are mounted down, the mirrors can contact the fuel tank. Rotate the bars full left and right to verify the mirrors do not contact the fuel tank. If they do, adjust accordingly. For more information, see your authorized Indian Motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.